insane. Everything just over of reality just fades to black. I don't sleep, I don't rest. Every thought becomes a test. Lights flashing in my eyes. Everything just multiplies. Anywho, scroll fast, don't stop, click tap, non-stop, no sleep, no fight. Too much chill, fake bill. Got it, go sir, no skill, no control, no master. Brainrot mode, I can't slow down. Too much noise inside my sound. Click, swipe, scroll again. Lost inside the loop again. Brainrot mode, time don't feel real. Everything just starts to feel. It's in my head right now. Tell me how I can back down. Notifications never end. Every second feels pretend. Too much info, too much feed.